Let's start with a GK question. Tell me, who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? The Chief Minister of Gujarat is Mr. Vijay Rupani. Now let's start with a new class. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic. And before we start with the new topic, I would like to ask you one question. Tell me, how do you go to your relatives and friends' place? Think and tell me. Yes, we go by car, scooter, bus, right? These are called transport. Do you know what is a transport? Transport is a medium to travel from one place to another in a short period of time. Children, there are three modes of transport. They are land transport, water transport and air transport. Do you want to learn more about this transport? So let's go.
There are three modes of transport. They are land transport, water transport and air transport. Now let's learn about it. Now the first transport is land transport. Land transport is a transport that moves on a land. For example, motorcycle, scooter and bicycle. They are used to cover short distance and it has two wheels. Now the next vehicle. What is this? Yes, this is a car. We travel in a car with our family and it has four wheels. Now what is next? Yes, an auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw usually used in town and cities and it has three wheels. This is a truck and it is used to carry heavy loads from one place to another. Now what is next? Yes, your favorite vehicle and that is train. Yes, this is a train. A large number of people can travel in a train and a train runs on a track. Children, there are some transport that moves slowly on land and they are bullock cart, tonga, etc. Now let's see the next transport and that is water transport. The transport that sails on water are called water transport. Let's see some examples. What is this? Yes, this is a boat and it is used to travel short distance on water across lakes and rivers. People often go for boating for fun. Now let's see the next example. What is this? Yes, this is a ship. And ship is often used to travel long distance on water across oceans and seas. The next transport is air transport. The transport in which people move from one place to another by air is called air transport. Now let's see some examples. This is an aeroplane. Aeroplane flies in the sky and it is the fastest means of transport. Helicopter. Helicopter is especially useful in emergency like fire, flood, etc. Helicopter is also used by military. So kids, did you come to know about these three modes of transport?
From me and my surrounding book, open page number 5858. In this, what is there? Transport. There are three modes of transport. Which are they? Land transport, water transport and air transport. Now first we will see land transport. Which are they? Bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, car, van, tonga, bus, bullock cart, truck, ambulance and train. Now water transport. Which are they? Boat, ship, motorboat, submarine, yacht. And air transport. Which are they? Helicopter and aeroplane. Now turn your page and open 6060. This is an exercise. What you have to do? Write L, A and W to show whether the given transport are on land, air or water. Vehicles that move on land, you have to write capital letter L, and the vehicle that move on air, you have to write capital letter A, and the vehicle that sail on water, you have to write capital letter W. Now the first transport, which transport is this? Aeroplane. Aeroplane moves in air, so you have to write capital letter A. Ship sails on water, so you have to write capital letter W, W for water. And what is this? Bus. Bus moves on road, so you have to write capital letter L, L for land transport. And what is this? Boat. Boat sails on water, so you have to write capital letter W. And this bicycle. Bicycle also moves on land, so you have to write capital letter L. And what is this? Bullock cart. Bullock cart moves on land, so you have to write capital letter L. What is this? Helicopter. Helicopter flies in the air, so you have to write capital letter A. And what is this? Train. Train moves on land, so you have to write capital letter L. Now the next page, page number 6161. First exercise, match the following. Now first picture, what is this? Train. Now where does train move? Train runs on track. So where is track? Is this track? No. Is this track? Yes. So you have to match train and track. Now the second picture, what is this? Aeroplane. Where does aeroplane fly? Aeroplane fly in the sky. So where is sky? Is this sky? Yes. So you have to match aeroplane and sky. What is this? Bus. Bus moves on road. Where is road here? Is this road? Yes. So you have to match bus and road. Now what is this? Ship. And where does ship sail? On water. So where is water? Is this water? Yes. So you have to match ship and water. Now the next exercise. How many wheels do each of these vehicles have? You have to write how many wheels does this vehicles have. Now first vehicle, which vehicle is this? Motorcycle. Now tell me, how many wheels does motorcycle have? 2 wheels. So you have to write 2 in this box. Now what is this? Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw has how many wheels? Yes, 3 wheels. So you have to write 3 here in this box. The next picture, what is this? Car. The car, how many wheels does car have? 4. So you have to write 4 in this box. Now truck. How many wheels does truck have? Yes, 4. So you have to write 4 in this box. So you have to complete these pages at home. Okay kids?